Hi everyone, my name is Sriharsha Vishnuvardhan, studying in Vishnu Institute of Technology with the specialization of ECE. Now I am going to answer the interview questions of our Node.js which are included in our web development course of 101. Now let's go with the first question. What is Node.js and how does it differ from other server-side technologies like Apache and PHP? We know that the Node.js is a runtime environment for JavaScript. Instead of using the console for running, instead of using the console in the web browser for running the JavaScript code, we can run the JavaScript code in Node.js. After installing it, even we can run it on the console using Node.js. And the difference between the Node.js and the other server-side technologies like Apache and PHP is that the Node.js can help to function both client-side and server-side technologies also, but the Apache and PHP are purely used for server-side technologies. Now go with the second question. What is callback function in Node.js and why are they commonly used in asynchronous programming? Callback function callback function is about passing a function as a parameter to the another function. It means it is helpful for running the code when the function immediately after the main function runs, then automatically the argument function helps to run the code effectively. This made the asynchronous code to run efficiently and fastly. Now go with the third question. What is the purpose of the package.json file in Node.js project? Can you explain the key properties found in the file? Okay. The package.json is a file which automatically creates in our project file, and it contains about the names and properties, names and versions of the software we have used for our project and the packages we have installed in it, and so all the details of packages and the versions we have used are displayed in this package.json file. And can you explain about the key properties? Key properties are some are key properties of packages, versions, etc. And the packages are about the packages we have installed for using in our project. Now go with the fourth question. Explain the difference between require and import statements in Node.js, and when and why would you use one over the other? Require and import both works with same functionality, but require is synchronous, which means it runs the code in runtime, and also the require takes the entire code into the entire code at once to the at the time of runtime, but the import contains only a few lines of codes, and we can import whatever the lines of codes we want at that time and get used to our project. The main difference is the require is working during runtime and it is synchronous, but import is asynchronous. Now let's go with the fifth question. What is middleware in the context of Express.js? Can you give me an example of how you would use middleware in an Express application? Okay, middleware is like a function which acts as a middle block between front end and back end, like requesting and responding for front end to back end, back end to front end. We can see this middleware functionality in our Express.js application, like for logging in and password authentication and signing up. These are the examples of using middleware in our application. Now go with the next question. What is RESTful API and how can you create one using Node.js and Express.js? Explain the main HTTP methods used in RESTful APIs. RESTful API uses HTTP methods for using the code operations like create, upgrade, and delete. In Node.js and Express.js, uh, we can perform CRUD operations using the methods we have used in our field, like while creating routes, like with the names of get, post, and delete. These are useful for performing the CRUD operations, and these CRUD operations can be done using these RESTful APIs. And the user who are doing the work can easily understand the use of these CRUD operations and how they can access the CRUD operations using the RESTful APIs. Now let's go with the next question. What is the purpose of the Node Package Manager NPM, and how do you use it to manage dependencies in a Node.js project? Okay, for creating our project, we have to perform different type of tasks. For those tasks, we have to write different lines of codes for each task. Instead of writing these codes of lines, we can use the npm packages which are already coded before, and we can access them through using the package name, and we can install the packages through the to our project through these npms. So these npms are useful, like adding packages to adding and accessing the packages to our project. We can even install the packages using the command line of npm space install space and the name of the package. This makes the package get installed to our project directory. And the final question, why is it important to hash password in a web application? First of all, hash password means it is a process of converting our plain text of password into fixed length of hash strings, and which makes the password unavailable to get retrieved to the user. Why is it important? The main importance of hash passwording is to make it get secured and unable to access to the another, and make it easy to us for secure the password. These are the interview questions. So thank you for giving this golden opportunity. Have a nice day.